I've got a very small Superdrug haul and obviously the Revolution mystery bag unbagging. So basically I've done this Superdrug haul for this mystery bag. I love mystery bags. If you know anything about my channel, you know I love mystery boxes, mystery bags, anything to do with mystery unboxings. Yeah, I love stuff like that. It's kind of a way of treating myself where I don't really know what I'm getting. When I was younger, I used to love them Claire's Accessories mystery bags. Can you remember them? I wish they still done them. I used to love them. Lucky dip bags, things like that. I'll quickly show you the 2 items that I did get from Superdrug. I think it was spend £15 and you get a mystery bag. I will put it on the screen what the mystery bag was meant to be worth, but I think it was meant to be a £30 worth or £20 worth mystery bag. But I'm pretty useless with that. Yeah, so the first thing I got, which I'm so excited, and a testing video of this will be coming soon. You know I love doing mascara testing videos. And this is the new Revolution Lift and Define Super Black Mascara. This is the 5-day lift. I've seen a couple of little mini clips and videos of this mascara, so I'm really excited about trying this. Yeah, so it says it gives 5 times 5-star length, 5-star lift, 5-star define, 5-star stretch, and 5-star volume. And I got it in Super Black. And then I got one of their plumping lip glosses. I really do love a plumping lip gloss. And yeah, I got that. I got it in clear because I have gotten one before and it was a coloured one, and I thought it was going to be very sheer, but it was not. It was full pigment. So I got a clear one. I'm really excited about trying this. I do just like a nice natural nip. Yeah, so I do like a nice natural lip, and I love how fat and chunky the doe foot is on this. Yeah, so I got both of them. I think this might have been £8 and I can't remember what this is, but basically I spent £15 with these 2 items. Because I haven't got a clue. I'll put it on the screen if I've still got my emails to check. But yeah, let's get into the mystery bag. So this is what everyone was here for. I'm hoping Revolution themselves will have a mystery bag coming soon. I do love their mystery bags. And often if an item wouldn't work for me, I either put them away for Christmas as stocking fillers for friends, family, or I use them as giveaway items. Right, so it doesn't feel like there's a lot in there. Right. Yeah, there's not much in here. There's 4 items. So the first item we've got here is a little £3 palette, and this is the Ultra Contour Kit Lightening Control. Yeah, this is it's got a powder, like a face powder. It's got a contour shade, and then it's got a cream highlight, I would imagine. And this is definitely for a lighter skin tone person. This is a very, very, very fair powder, but it's actually really quite nice. I actually quite like that, so that's good. I like that. I do actually like that, because I feel like I love a cream highlight, I love a contour, and I love a face powder. So yeah, I like that. Right, and then we've got a brow tint. Now I've had this product before and I'm just not the biggest fan of it. It is in the shade Taupe. Yeah, this is like a liquid brow tint that you put on your brows, and lots of people love it, but it's just, I've used 2 shades now and it's just not my thing. It definitely does work, but I tint my brows. I'm a beautician, so I tint my own brows, so I don't really need a product like that. I think that's the thing with it. So yeah, not for me, but it's a good little item. Then we've got 2 lip products, which I'm excited about. We've got the Sheer Brilliant, and I think it is a Sheer Gone Rouge. So I'm going to open this up and swatch it. So it's like a brownie lip gloss type shade. Quite hard to get into. This does not look sheer. Yeah, that does not look sheer. That is total false advertising. Sorry, like. That is definitely not sheer. It could be called Sheer Brilliant. But yeah, that's definitely not a sheer shade. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I do like a brown lip. Not so sure how I feel about that. But out of breath, I ran down for the door. This item is a Revolution cream. So is this a matte cream? A cream what? says cream in the shade Featured, so I don't know what it is. A matte cream lip, I honestly don't know. It's a really nice shade. I think it's a bit nude for me, but it is nice. Yeah, what do I feel about this mystery bag? I definitely feel like it was a bit of a dud. I'm not going to lie to you. I feel like the lip shades are just not quite there. I like this, I really do. This is probably the most exciting product for me. And then the brow tint's okay. I'd probably put that in a giveaway or something because Taupe is pretty much a universal shade. And some people would love that. The Sheer Brilliant lip gloss is okay, but that creme brulee would wash me out so much. And I don't like how it doesn't say if it goes matte. I don't think it does because I think it would say matte cream. But yeah, I just don't think it was very exciting. But I am very excited about trying my mascara and lip plumping lip gloss. I just bought 2 things that I was actually after to get this free. And I will definitely find homes or uses for these items, so that's good. They will come in handy for little things. And yeah, so I'm probably going to put that in my giveaway box. I've got a box building up for giveaways. These 2 lip products I'll probably maybe pass on. The one that I don't think I would use to probably my friend Sarah, see if she would like it, because she's more tan than me. I'm very pale, as you can probably tell. The lip gloss I probably will keep because I do like a brown nude, brown lip once in a blue moon, but I do feel like that maybe a bit too glossy for me, but I do like this. But I haven't decided what I'm going to do with that. I need to go through my makeup and see what I've got and what I haven't. But yeah, that was the Superdrug mystery bag. Let me know what you guys think of it. I think it was a bit of a dud, to be honest, my personal opinion, but I mean, I do think it was just not the best. I've had better. But anyways, if you like these mystery bag unboxings, I do them quite often, and I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.